Table number 1, table number 2, okay lang ba kayo dyan?
Sabi mo.
And of course, I would like to greet Robert Lupo a very happy birthday.
No.
Masakit sa jewel.
Juwitan mo. Kaya, umet, juwitan mo.
Juwitan mo! Bet!
Ayaw si Juwet, juwangan.
Dali, Juwet! Dali, Juwet!
Masakit sa Juwet. Juwitan mo. Juwangan na na. Kakabibo mo. Yun, no? Kita mo yung adik. Man! Adik na, adik. Real na real pa.
Bakit ngayon ka lang? Bakit ngayon ang kailangan aking puso? Meron lang naman ikaw sana iniyabang-yabang ang iyong damay katabi aking hawak at hindi tindan. Bakit ngayon dumating sa buhay ko? Piling binubog ka ang kawan ko ng puso. Ikaw ba ay nararapat sa akin? At sabay sa pagmumuli mo, nais ko malaman bakit ngayon ka lang umalis. Ikaw sana iniyabang-yabang ang iyong damay laging aking hawak at hindi kanya bakit ngayon umakit sa buhay ko? Binubog ka at ang nagusto ng puso. Ikaw ba ay nararapat sa akin? At sabay sa pagmumuli mo, nais ko malaman bakit ngayon ka lang? Bakit ngayon dumating sa buhay ko? Piling binubog ka at nalulog ng puso. Ikaw ba ay nararapat sa akin? At sabay sa pagmumuli mo, nais ko malaman bakit ngayon ka lang bakit ngayon ka lang dumating?
Thank you!
Marami gusto ko yung sa buwan. Go. Whatever it takes, I'll do everything. Take it to the guitar, swing it to the batter. Whatever it takes, do I gotta do.
And we were crazy. What do they know? They're not me, baby. Come now, don't let go. There's a world around them. Just fall apart. Maybe we can keep their heart to heart.
And we will build this dream together. Plans for forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world got a cover, we'll still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us.
Gitna, sarap.
May ibang tandaya mo. Sige pa. Dami-dami.
Mochi boys.
Akala ko ikaw ay akin, totoo sa aking paningin. Ngunit nang ikaw ay yakapin, naglalaho sa dilim. Inais kong mapalapit sa'yo, inais kong malaman mo ang mga paghihirap ko, baliwala lang sa'yo. Ikaw ay aking minahal, kasama ko ang may kapal. Ngunit ako pala'y naging sa mga naghahangad ng sangkatulad mo. Hindi ko na kailangan umalis ka na sa aking harapan. Damdamin ko sa'yo ngayon ay naglaho na. At ito ang iyong tandaan, ako'y masyadong nasaktan. Pag-ibig at pag... Lalakbay sa gitna ng dilim, lagi na lang akong nadarapa. Ngunit heto, bumabangon pa rin. Heto ako, basang-basa sa ulan, walang masisilungan, walang malalapitan. Sana'y may luha pa akong mailuluha, at nang mabawasan ang aking kalungkutan. Kung mailuluha at nang mabawasan ang aking kalungkutan. Ang halik mo, namimiss ka. Ang halik mo, namimiss ka. Ang halik mo, namimiss ka. Ang halik mo, namimiss ko. Bakit iniwan mo ko? Akala ko ikaw ay akin, totoo sa aking paningin. Ngunit nang ikaw ay yakapin, naglalaho sa dilim. Ninais kong mapalapit sa'yo, ninais kong malaman mo ang mga paghihirap ko, baliwala lang sa'yo. Ikaw ay aking minahal, kasama ko ang may kapal. Ngunit ako pala'y naging isang hangal, naghahangad ng isang katulad mo. Hindi ko na kailangan umalis ka na sa aking harapan. Damdamin ko sa'yo ngayon ay naglaho na. At ito ang iyong tandaan, ako'y masyadong nasaktan. Pag-ibig at pagsuyo na kahit nasa luha, pagbabayaran mo. Wala na, wala. Pag-ibig, wala.
Pag-ibig ko sa'yo ang dahil totoo.
Sing tamis ng wine, sing tatak ng sunshine.
Hayaan mo sana ang aking pagsinta.
Langit ng puso ko, o ang pag-ibig mo, sinta.
Nanaginip ang isip na kaunang sa amin at susumingin ang langit kahit alin na lang. Nababaliw ako sa'yo, marasin ako ng puso sa isang sulit na langit. Born when the sun is strong, into the midnight train going anywhere. Alex Lupay. worry about the shadows. It's all till tonight. It's real like people leading this abiding motion, hiding in someone tonight.
Uy, backup na wala. Wala na.
Right. 1, 2, 3, go.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Right, right. 1, 2, 3.
5, 6, 7. I'm just a little bit in the middle of life. It's amazing. Life is a little I don't know where to go. Can't do it alone. I try, and I don't know why. Slow it down, make it stop, or else my heart is going to pop. It's too much, but it's alright. To be something I'm not, I'm a fool out of love, and I just can't get it right. Oh, I'm just a little bit caught in the middle. Life is amazing, now there's a riddle. I don't know where to go, can't do it alone. I try, and I don't know why. I'm just a little girl in the moment. I'm so scared, and I don't know where to get it right. Just get me down. I know I have to let it go. Just enjoy the show. But I'm dead. Just enjoy the show. Just enjoy the show. I want my money back. I want my money back. I want my money back. Just enjoy the show. I want my money back. I want my money back. I want my money back. Just enjoy the show. Ayusin natin yan. Play mo yan. Pagkakali tayo ayusin natin. Anong title mo? The show.
At tama na, mami. Dito, record. Dito ka, Jay. Sa likod ko, dali. 1, 2, 3, go.
Happy birthday, mommy. Happy birthday, mommy. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, mommy.
Kiss mo na lang. Kiss mo na, kiss. Wala.
Yeah.
Wala ulit. Online tayo, nasa iyo. Wala na blow. Huwag ka nang ihip. Isa pa. Kanta ka uli. Namatay eh.
Bilis mo yan.
Baka po nakalilapit ko. Ay, huwag mo na ihip.
Happy birthday, mommy. Happy
Yes, naman.
birthday.
Sige, kanta. Last birthday ko na.
Happy birthday. Doon wala ang candle.
Ulit.
Birthday to you.
sabay. Thank you.
Habang
Kiss,
gusto
mami.
ka. Wala din nga.
Kiss. Love you.
I met you in the dark. You lit me up. You made me feel as though I was enough. We danced this night away. We drank too much. I held your hair back when you were throwing up. With your smile over your shoulder. For a minute I was stone cold sober. I pulled you closer to my chest. You asked me to stay over. I said I already told you. I think that you should get some rest. I knew I love you then, but you never know. 'Cause you played it cool when I was scared of letting go. I know I needed you, but it never showed. But I wanna stay with you until I really know. Just say you won't let go. Say you won't let go.
Left, right.
Right?
Right. 1, 2, 3, go.
Right nga.
Kasi makikita ko yan na.
Hindi nakatingin kasi.
Ulit.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Right ha, right. 1, 2, 3.
5, 6, 7. I'm just a little bit in the middle of life. There's a maze, life is a riddle. I don't know where to go. Can't do it alone. I try, and I don't know why. Slow it down, make it stop, or else my heart is going to pop. It's too much.
Jake! 710, get set! 710! Layang number 4 sa kanila. Gasolina pa kayo. Check na kukuha. Hoy, gasolina pa kayo. Gasolina boss, gasolina. Ano mo? Apat kami tower. Hindi po ito.
Original pala.
Hey guys, so I'm here in a small ferry going to Puerto Galera, and I've been here for almost an hour. So based on Google Maps, it's gonna take like 30 more minutes to be there in the destination. Hey, say hi to my vlog. And how are you feeling right now?
Hindi mapakali. Gusto mo nagarilyo.
Ayan, so this is a no smoking area.
Do you have a boyfriend?
Yes, I do.
Where is he from?
He's from another nation.
Which nation?
Imagination.
On her fabulous 40th birthday, please give it up for Lucille! Ayan o, diba? Madam, dito ka na. Yes, pares tayo. Let's have a quick family picture. You can now take her seat, everyone.
Tawag namin nga na biyahe ng B2B. So this is our first biyahe for 2020. Yan. Next stop will be in Visayas, so we're gonna ride a plane. Batangas pala. Yan. Hindi pa namin alam kung saan ang destination, pero sa mga gustong sumama, just key in your entry. You know, like and subscribe our Facebook channel sa mga gusto magpasabay. PM lang po. Ayan, sa Balota. Guys, so this is the third day here in Puerto Galera. And right now we're traveling our way to Pierre, you know, going to Batangas City. I'm with my office mates, Praise Malibunas, Robbie Marcini, and Angel Nassis. Yeah. So ano po masasabi niyo sa experience niyo sa Puerto Galera?
Ang saya! Birthday.
How about you?
Masaya-saya. So, nababalik kami.
Sir? Kayo po.
No comment.
Number one. Sir? Sir, marami po pa kayo na booking. Sir, kayo pa sir. Marami kayo na booking. Ayan, so ito yung tinatawag na Bitukhang Manok. You know, this place is very, very significant and very memorable.
Ano kasi gusto ko ba no?
Chicken intestine. Yeah. Ayan po. Tabi po, tabi po.
Result lang yan.
Sakto lang. Tingnan mo. Kumakain ka ba ng ganito? White. White.
Lagi-lagi na nag-away. Di ba nakakasat kayo niya, no? Pangge. Lagi-lagi nag-away yun, tapos gabi-gabi.
Baka putang ina video pala awi. Thank you. Thank you.
Uwi tayo.
Again, again. 1, 2, 3, go.
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away.
Faster.
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away.
Slow.
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Please don't take my sunshine away.
Thank you very much. Again?
Gusto ko kuha.
Mag-record ba? Save mo muna. Paano sa save?
Gusto ko kuha ang tablet ko, ma'am.
Mas mataba ako.
Our love will never be the same. It won't go on. We gotta play and live the strings. I know you know the time will come, but baby, for tonight, let's take it slow, so slow.